We've got a busy week of Colorado weather coming up for this Monday, April the 20th. It's fire danger and a pretty concerning setup on Wednesday and Thursday. I'm going to get into details about Xcel already talking about possible power shutoffs for Wednesday and Thursday. And then at the end of the week, we get that pattern flip with hopefully, fingers crossed, some widespread rain and some mountain snow. And that may even include us down here in Denver, the possibility for some slushy snow this weekend or early next week. I'll start things off, though, with today and tomorrow. Those are the calmer weather days. Today, on this April the 20th, we'll get up to near 80 degrees. If we get to 80, that would be our ninth time already this year at or above 80, which is by far the most year to date on record. Winds are light today and tomorrow. That is good news. But then on Wednesday, those winds really start to crank up as the storm system passes off to our north. We get that sharp pressure gradient, and the result, we're going to be talking about some really widespread 40 to even 60 mile an hour winds. There's an unusually early fire weather watch for southeastern Colorado. And what you need to know about that is it's pretty unusual for the Weather Service to issue fire weather watches 2 to 3 days out. We've already got them up for southern Colorado. And here's the takeaway: Xcel Energy already talking about possible power shutoffs for the western slope in Garfield and Mesa counties. That'd be Grand Junction area. And that's where we could be seeing those winds in that 60 mile an hour range. Of course, it is horribly dry across the state. We are in most of Colorado under some form of drought, and most cases talking about a severe or worse drought at this point. You probably already know plenty about that. But when we've got those 40 to 60 mile an hour winds, it's dry, it's warm, that we've got that possibility for really widespread issues from that. And that could include us in the northern front range for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. In the Denver area, our strongest winds will be again Wednesday night and Thursday morning in the foothills. And Xcel already mentioning that, and that could also lead to some power shutoffs here in the Denver area, potentially for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. We'll know more as it gets a bit closer. Then this weekend, we flip that pattern. We cool things down with daily shower and storm chances, probably starting on Friday, maybe as early as Thursday. And I'll have more details on that as it gets a bit closer, but just look for some cooler, wetter weather for next weekend.